You are going to love the 2020 F-Pace. The first Jaguar luxury performance SUV brings together sporty handling and dramatic beauty with everyday practicality and efficiency. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, power moonroof, rain-sensing wipers, rear fog light. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.